In this practical example we will review the use of important tools studied in this module, which allow you to create repetitions, mirrors, and configurations. Come on, let's go. First open the valve provided in the files in this example. We activate the circular pattern command and we will repeat some features. We select the features shown in the axis as a reference. We set the number of copies to 8 and confirm the command. See that the circular replay was created correctly. Now let's do the mirroring of this repetition. We activate the mirror command and choose the top plane as a reference. We select the feature that will be mirrored and confirm. See that mirroring was performed successfully. Using this other model, also available, we will apply the command linear pattern. We activate the command and click on the edge shown as direction 1. We set the distance to 300 and the number of repetitions to 2. We select the features that will be repeated and see the preview displayed. For direction 2, we select the center line, set the distance to 114, and the number of repetitions to 2. We confirm the command and see that the linear repetitions were performed correctly. We'll apply rounding, keep up. To finish this template, we will create a configuration to hide the fittings. In Configuration Manager, we added the new configuration, naming it as No Snap. Then, in the Feature Manager, we suppress the features as shown. Here we finish this example, where we review important commands studied throughout this module. Continue training the use of resources to become familiar and gain agility in the use of software.